Hello and welcome back to Games Night. Make noise, everybody. This is before our Games Night starts today. 3 people are here. We have some updates to the format. Oxy, you want to tell updates to the format?
You tell me.
The teams are going to be color coded today.
No way.
₹100 दे और ₹50 कट ओवर एक्टिंग
Black and white. And we're going to, before the game starts, warm up.
They lose.
We are not at all salty and we lose. We're very graceful when we lose.
Establish a
Should I
chemistry.
say nice things about it or
No,
not?
no, no. Say whatever.
Chemistry.
This video needs to gain.
It's all right depending on how much money they're paying us.
If this video gain traction, let's shoot again.
Okay, hold on. Let's first reverse change.
Yeah, let's do the white one. Okay, just mark this spot.
Actually, I'm not sure about V today.
Wait, hold on. Okay, ready? Are you rolling?
Yeah, I'm rolling.
Transition
without me. He's going to do this without me. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to Games Night. We are trying new format today. Just stop flirting with the opposition. इसकी फटरी है. I'm sick of all of you.
But honestly, it's on Zillow.
The whole OG gang is back. This time sitting with their teams, not with strangers.
Were we in the same team?
Yeah.
We won!
Sheil, always so good at building team dynamics on camera. I think we are ready to start. I'm going to go first. I'm fairly nervous today.
Why?
क्योंकि वीडियो पे views नहीं आते.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
Quick intro for everybody again. Kavya from WTF.
I'm the smartest player in the room and everyone knows that.
Rahul from Bold Care.
Yeah, so I looked at myself every day in front of the mirror and I did taboo again. I actually
Bilal from WTF. Rohan from Netflix. Sheena from Instagram.
I'll be the most pleasing to watch. What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck is he doing?
V from SV Road.
On this episode of Games Night, who will win and at what cost?
Kash from Netflix.
I love Taboo. She's my favorite actress.
Sheel from Gush Beauty. Zinera from Stealth Startup. And myself from trying to make Games Night work. Okay, chalo. That being said, round 1 of 10. I'm going to start. Can we just... I'm sick of all of your opinions.
You're sick of your own team, by the way, yeah?
sick
Your
of
own
it.
team.
I'm sick of everybody.
Black team is just listening.
Okay,
Yeah.
ready?
Let's go. Hey, look. That's so cute.
Here one white dot in. Okay, let's start. Okay, when I want to clean my lips after a bite, what do I use?
Tissue.
Napkin.
Okay, I want to use this tissue, but before that, the smallest thing.
Nibble.
Hey, you can't do this.
I have a dog. My sister has a
Puppy.
Cat.
Nephew. Baby.
cat. I want to go for taekwondo. What is another thing like that? My guy. Wow. Okay, taekwondo, but at the highest level, once every after the third.
Black belt.
What happened in Tokyo?
Drift.
The highest level of any taekwondo, where I want to win.
belt.
I want to win at this. But the whole world
Competition
plays.
tournament.
Biggest one. The biggest one
I have no idea,
for
bro.
all games.
World Cup.
Olympics.
Why didn't you say what comes every? Yeah, Veda.
I couldn't say
Okay,
four.
okay, hold on. Many questions. My
made it
sister,
seem like
I
it's
have a dog.
related.
My sister has a cat.
Contrast. Yeah, cat.
We got it though.
Now I know.
5.
No pressure, huh?
Well done.
Warm up.
No pressure at all.
Round 1 was.
This is
You
green actually.
can do it. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Pomegranate is
Fruit.
I haven't started.
Nice.
He also used red only last time.
Very good. Chalo.
Now ready.
पिछला वीडियो देख के आए.
Okay, this the national animal.
Peacock.
And
Okay, this is something you get at food stories, which is
Fancy food strawberries.
really.
Tomatoes.
You get it from the sea.
अरे नहीं वो caviar.
Guys.
Oi.
Okay, what are we?
Humans.
Friends.
No,
People.
in this game.
Team.
Okay, this is something you put on a pizza. It's like an no.
Cheese.
It
Oregano.
has spinach and
Basil.
it's like a sauce.
Pesto.
Pesto.
Okay, this is something you do at the Olympics.
Run.
Long jump.
No, it's like
Taekwondo of the highest level.
Javelin.
You just
Javelin.
like jump around,
Long jump.
Long jump.
High jump.
but okay.
Hurdles. Time up.
I think I'm getting this wrong.
Hurdles.
Yeah, I'm getting this wrong.
Time up.
It's a handstand.
Time up.
Oh, gymnastics.
Gymnastics.
Good job. So I just
Right. First, appreciate the outfit.
What an outfit. Zini, what are you wearing? Break it down for us.
Sit on the chair, no?
Ready? No, I'm too short. My legs will tangle. Okay, oh my god. Light this up with
Candle.
wood.
Inside. Bonfire.
Bonfire.
Second word.
Fire.
Nice.
You do this at the gym for a really good ass.
Glutes.
Squat.
It's in the. This is okay. We had this. Oh my god, you were not there. Okay, it's an animal
Green.
byproduct that we eat.
Cheese.
No, it's inside something. It's like
Foie gras.
no,
Caviar. Pate.
no. Yeah, what
Liver.
is pate made
Liver.
of? No.
Mince.
Rabbit.
Skip. How do I skip this? What is this? What are we in right
Game.
now? No.
House. Apartment. Living room.
No.
Living
room. Yeah.
Hall.
Ah, dang it. Okay.
Nice, yeah.
Good. What is the pate one?
Oh, it's there.
Do April dash.
Fools.
Something that's
Swimming.
finale.
Grand.
Yes.
Oh, damn.
On your arms on the floor.
Bar.
Disco.
Plank.
On your.
Yes.
Oh, plank. On your bar.
Sexy girls do this in cute pants.
Pose.
No.
Pose.
To be fit.
Pilates.
Pilates, but a different
Power
Indian
yoga?
form of it. Yes.
Yoga.
Yes. National sport, India.
Hockey.
Fucking killing it.
You do it with a mic on stage.
Karaoke.
MC.
Yes, what is it called?
Host.
Anchoring. No, yes.
Anchor.
Zini, you're checking, no?
In the air with strings, but like
Balloons.
Streamers.
It's like
Hot air balloon.
no, it's a form of workout, but in the
Aerial.
air. Yes, a form
Yoga.
of
Aerial yoga.
Time up.
Yes.
But time. What was
Good
it?
one, bro. That was a lot.
Aerobics. How many did you get? 8.
Employee of the year. Kavya, continue sitting.
No,
Continue
कार
sitting.
उसको दिखना नहीं है.
Yeah, you don't call her out on any of her taboos, huh? She'll hammer you.
Don't go all like noise and all not allowed. Okay. Babies use
Diapers.
this to on a
Pacifier.
sheet of paper
Butter.
to make a
Cookie.
nutcracker, things we eat.
Waffle.
Pancake waffle.
Eggs. Eggs Benedict. Eggs.
Everyone around here who's not playing is but they are
Bystanders.
Helping.
Bystanders.
another word for
Audience.
that.
Audience.
Audience.
No, people who are bystanding, but they are just
Watching viewers.
Viewers.
Audience.
People watching.
Contestants.
they're
Part-
just
No.
what are you
Observing.
wearing? What are
Observing.
these?
Spectacles.
Spectators.
Nice.
Taboo word.
Rich people, Saint Moritz would go to
Vacation.
no, but a
Villa.
port.
Skiing.
Good job, Aman.
San Maurice.
Oh, yeah, you
Where's
are.
the other
जब
team?
मेरे को दांत साफ कर रहे हो.
Don't take your
Get
fingers.
close up.
Fezzy.
You are representing the home.
You have this real. You fast walk. No. What do people do with Nike from India Gate?
Marathon.
Hey, but I put taboo by mistake.
आपकी गलती है.
Then take the next one.
Okay, keep going.
Up
My
to
mistake.
Hey, sorry.
Dude, take. What did he do?
In Rajasthan there is a okay.
Rot.
So what is there in that?
Oasis.
Oasis.
No.
Cactus.
What?
Sand.
Okay. And if it's very fast.
Sand.
Tornado.
No.
Tornado.
If you're very
Hurricane.
Stop. The
sand, you've said right?
Sand.
Okay. So
Sandcastles.
if it's very fast,
sand.
I'm very fast, so I'm very.
Quicksand.
Okay. I need to step out for some.
Air.
Fresh air.
I would like to eat poached but not
Eggs.
Which ones?
Fried eggs.
Okay. No, don't take it.
Scrambled eggs. Hey, but wait, I pressed taboo by mistake. How's that my fault?
How do you know what means what?
अरे गलती से दब गया. ऐसे मत कर यार.
Oh God.
Come on, champion defending. Utkarsh is defending champion.
One second. I also want to turn my face. I just wanna that song,
Dance.
the Dean Khan song, the terrible song. Okay, no. Pilates is a form of
Aerobics, dance,
No, ballet.
exercise.
Yes.
I thought exercise.
Oh.
Exercise.
Sita touched this animal
Goat.
who had stripes on it.
Deer.
It runs away near. It's a small near the banyan
Tree.
small animal that goes up it.
Monkey. Squirrel.
Bro, that's such a neat. And Izumi you use.
Chopsticks.
Another word for tissue.
Napkin. Paper napkin.
Handkerchief.
Paper towel.
Yes.
Paper towel.
The baby back.
Muscle development.
No, you eat this pork dash.
Ribs.
Yes.
Baby back.
You go to the gym to build.
Muscles. Jimmy.
The bird with the huge.
Bird. Taboo.
Next.
Keep going.
Time's up. Hey, that was
Okay,
not bad.
so well.
Good.
Six,
Solid.
fucking six. Kill
You
it.
got 6?
Yeah.
That's insane, bro.
Okay,
What's this
Rohan Baba,
for?
you are coming.
Chacha Nehru kept this in his pocket.
Flower, rose.
Rose.
Manya is a.
Model.
Yes. Okay. What she gets done on her.
Makeup.
Nails. Manicure.
Extensions. Manicure.
Alright. Bugs.
Bunny.
What this
We done
comes
this
out
too.
of a strict. Rohan, shut up.
Taboo.
You're such a cheater, dude. Okay. It's a type of institution. School.
College.
University.
Venture capital.
Education. Institute.
Private equity.
You don't have to
Wait.
Montessori.
Yes.
Academy.
Academy. Academic.
This is a World Cup is a
Sport.
yes. Correct.
How much is she get?
4.
From last time it was too long.
She's always been this much.
So
Good bag,
I'm
you
better
want
than 0.
Yes.
Plus, without cheating this time, she'll know cheating this time.
Let's go. Fine.
Big. Kavya, mind-blowing world record score on the show. 8, crazy.
World
Haven't
record
seen
on
8
the
yet. I'm a little disappointed in myself. Bilal, Rohan, killed it. Alright, round 2 now. My round 1 was really bad. I hope I
Not all
can.
about you, Vira.
But I'm playing now, Sheil, Kamini.
Good यार तू चल ना.
मेरे टर्न के लिए मुझे बोलने दे भाई. मेरा शो है यार.
मैं अन्नू वाले ये शो मेरा
Yeah.
Zini
तू चल ना.
कहाँ जा रहे
Hey, I want to eat my chirwa with a.
भुजिया.
Okay, I go to Sunmoy and I get that.
Chinese food.
But what is the most classic dish?
Fish chilies.
No, but with the
Chicken thighs.
Maggi. What kind?
Hakka noodles.
Other one?
Dunkin' noodles.
How would you mix it up?
Ramen.
Sachi.
Mix it up. Yeah.
It's in the bowl. It's in the bowl and I'm moving it
Stir
around.
fried noodles. Stir fried.
Okay, that's not the best dish. It's
Okay, 1 second. The Teenage Mutant Ninja.
Turtles. Nice.
Sheena Big.
Dash for breakfast. Dash problems when someone has fancy problems there.
Champagne problem.
Okay, I grow my mango in
Field.
a farm for
Orchard,
just
orchard.
Oh.
Hey, Rohan's favorite animated movie.
Ratatouille.
Okay, I call the third dash to check if I'm out.
Empire.
I want to be a dash with paddle. Getting paid for it.
Pro.
Athletes. So
Not
close.
bad. Good round. Redemption.
Come back, guys.
Come back, 7.
Come back.
Nice.
7 and no taboo.
Let's go.
Captain.
America.
Planet.
No, it's a cereal.
Marvel. No.
No,
Captain.
Captain. No, it's a breakfast cereal that you eat.
Captain Crunch.
Oh, cereal. Captain Planet.
This is like a thing you put in a sandwich.
Mayonnaise.
Salami.
Cucumber,
Oh
cheese.
yeah, okay.
Salami.
In sync.
Okay, you get this in the sea. It's very expensive to.
Caviar.
Caviar.
No.
Oyster
It's
pearl.
Crabs.
मोती को क्या बोलते हैं?
नहीं, कुछ और
मोती को pearl.
नहीं बहुत बड़ा है ये. This is.
Lobster.
Giant squid.
Okay, Sheil uses this every day to get her steps in.
Whoop.
What?
No. It's like a.
Step counter.
No. What do you do?
Treadmill.
What?
Treadmill.
This is a Mexican.
Tortilla. No.
Salsa.
Salsa.
Okay, this is like lobster, but.
Shrimp.
Oyster. Shrimp. Crab.
Squid.
Nice, bro. Five.
I said
No one
shrimp.
said wrong.
You said that. Zini has to go.
Got 5.
Solid, dude.
भाई episode 1 से episode 3 तक ये सब बाथरूम में प्रैक्टिस करके आ रहे हैं भाई.
I was not there.
Let's go.
Let's go.
है तो मेरी बीवी ना. है तो मेरी बीवी ना.
Zini, check it.
Zini, I'm so proud of
You
you.
have to do like.
Zini, call out wrong.
I'm a proud husband today.
You ride a bike and then you twist it around and it's called
Drift.
Wheelie.
No, it's a
Break.
It's
Wheelie.
a publicity.
Stunt.
Stunt.
It's okay. Think
I don't know.
Did
what
she
the
taboo
word
it?
is. Yeah.
When women are
Dressing up.
Makeup.
no.
Makeup.
There's a
Love women.
there's a brand called Daily.
Where good objects.
Yes.
Daily object.
Then women are all.
Where was that story?
It's a sport with a ball. With there you hit against the wall.
Squash.
Is no ball or what?
Shut up.
When men propose, they
Ring.
go down
Ring.
their-
Kneel.
Santa Claus comes down the
Reindeer. Chimney.
Did we get the taboo?
Yes.
Yes!
Every time you would pause, she would be like, oh, there is something to look at.
Just do it effortlessly.
Yeah, we should do a quick check on
I
squash.
checked it, guys. I checked
Just
it.
check squash, wall and ball, dude.
No, squash was the vegetable, so it was not.
like that.
1 second. What did she say for the kneel?
When a man proposes
They said ring.
They?
No, nothing.
She said they get down.
No, we said. When propose, she said.
When I propose, they go down on their dance.
No.
She said go
She
down
said-
on there.
Because you said
Honestly,
kneel.
one sec.
She said
One
they
sec.
do. They do what?
First of all,
She said they do what?
okay. Even if I said that, you had a member from your team sitting next to me for
Yeah.
the
Honestly,
You
though.
had
1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
I'll stop there only.
1 second. If that is the case, then we should not have given the point that Bilal accidentally tabooed. You had a member. You had a member from your team.
1 second. 1 second.
No.
One
She
second.
said they do what?
1 second. 1 second. 1
She
second.
said they do what? I said
They do what?
You
Yeah,
said
I
kneel.
said
You said
kneel.
kneel.
I said kneel.
Can we check?
Playback,
1 second.
I said kneel.
One second.
Playback.
Bro,
Check any.
this is not what my case was. My
Doesn't
case
matter.
was.
No, but it's the same case.
Arey,
But she's
इसकी
like,
बात
your
करते
team didn't
ना.
check.
Veer, are you going?
Yeah, that's wrong. Edit me
But honestly, it's on Zinea's thing to look at it. No.
They do what?
Go down on their dance.
I didn't
They
make
do what?
I want to check the play. Like, can we check what is that? Any clip?
Dude.
men propose, they
Ring.
go down
Ring.
the-
Ring.
go down
Hey,
the-
let's go.
What is that, Sheila? What is that? इतनी confidence से, इतनी confidence से.
What's wrong?
What was the taboo word?
Go down. Down is the word.
You are not wrong until you get
No.
caught.
You're not wrong until you're
Everyone
caught.
can
We'll
shut
take the
up.
point. We are taking the
Thank
point. We are taking the
No, there's no point. Bro, what's the point of sitting here then?
Focus.
Silence.
You don't hover.
Hour क्या ये थोड़ी कर रहा
Sheil,
हूँ मैं.
focus. Look at us. Forget about
Don't
what's
get
next.
intimidated. Don't get intimidated.
Yes, he is large. Yes, he is obtrusive, but you forget about it.
Quiet, please.
Sheena, very serious.
Sheena, have some integrity, especially now.
Okay, Mech Dreamy was in which show?
Grey's Anatomy.
What is the word?
Grey Anatomy.
When I'm a baby and I have these
Diapers.
little things all over my
Rash.
body.
Rash.
Me, I'm a
Chicken pox.
girlfriend.
Chicken pox. Baby. Who calls chicken pox to
One second, Rahul
बोल
was
के
a
condom.
dash, and then now he's in the lead. He was
Underdog, losing. Underdog.
Nice.
okay in food square.
Food, taboo.
Okay.
हो गया.
My BP is going up,
High.
and
Heart rate.
yeah, cortisol is increasing.
Stress. Nice. Good job.
He's looking at the mirror. He's looking at the mirror over there.
San Francisco by the water.
Golden Gate.
No.
Gate.
Okay, time.
Oh, I'll stay. I'll cover.
Yeah, you're a better person.
By all means. तू हवा करेगी, I wish.
मैं तो कहता हूँ सीनी को ले आ. Okay.
Hey, अपनी टीम के बारे में नहीं बोलने का.
We are meant to enjoy.
Guys, shut up.
Okay, what the? How many can I pass?
Two. Shut up.
Okay, Dash Life. Very famous pink color object that kids play with.
Barbie.
उसके
Doll.
आगे?
Barbie doll.
Yeah.
Shut up.
My cash is kept in my
Wallet.
I use liquid on my body.
Bathing.
What is it?
Shower.
What am I doing?
Showering. Bathing. Bathing.
What was big?
Remember sand ke saath there was a word last time?
Quick.
Wow.
Saturn, Earth and
Planets.
Jupiter.
Planets. Milky Way.
Venus.
What was bath and you said bathing?
Bathe.
No, I didn't say bathing. She said bathing.
I said bathing.
But the
No, I didn't say bathing at all.
What was the word?
No, she said bath.
I said bath first,
She
then I
said.
said bathing.
You can do this on the playback.
You also.
Bathing.
What is it?
Shower.
What am I doing?
You said she never sat down.
Guys,
Yelling at the top of your voice. No sense caught in
but
that.
you started the taboo.
I'm really nervous.
We started the taboo.
Media too good, yeah.
Let's go, guys. Lock it.
But we also
Yeah.
started +1 for down, man. I'm gonna fight
You
this.
have to take a taboo. You have to take a taboo.
Yeah, he's
No,
taking
but that's Viraj
Guys,
mistake.
guys. Okay, this is something that you
taboo.
have.
Take the taboo.
It is a fruit, but you make it into a.
Juice.
Yeah, but which one? Which one?
Orange, pineapple,
It's purple. It's purple.
pomegranate,
It's purple.
Plum.
Oh my God!
Peach.
beet.
Brinjal.
Beetroot.
It's a kind of.
What is
And
it?
shit.
One advice dena band kar lode.
Oh, this is a drink, but it's not actually alcoholic.
Kombucha.
It's somewhat alcoholic.
Breezer.
No, but it's sort of
Moonshine,
aerated. It's an aerated drink.
Sparkling water.
No,
Kombucha.
moonshine.
It's a hard dash. Hard.
Liquor, hard
Seltzer.
Oh, it makes things go brrr. You put stuff in it. Yes. Oh, Ocean's 11. I am going to take some.
Ice.
Yeah, I got ice.
He got ice.
I said ice.
He said
Cranberry.
I said ice.
You wanna check? Wait.
Horror farming.
Okay, this is Taylor Swift's really popular song.
Love story.
It's also the Shan song.
Blank space. Midnight.
Gay.
Midnight.
Mad or? Okay, shut up. This is a really cool restaurant in Bandra. Also a vegetable. Dude, what the fuck is he doing? It's also a vegetable. It comes in a bottle.
Izumi.
Kombucha. No,
Bougie, no.
You find it on pizzas also.
Margarita, cheese.
Pineapple.
It's
Tabasco.
You can't fucking do that. You make food according to a
Recipe.
yeah. Someone's really lazy. They're called a
Couch potato.
first word.
Couch.
Okay. This is a serum for dark spots.
Retinol.
No,
Niacinamide.
it's also in fruits. It's also in fruits.
She said
Who won?
What the fuck? Utkarsh!
Who
You
won?
can't do that!
Who
You
won?
can't do
Did
that!
we win
You
or-
can't do that!
One
No.
second. Score bata.
He's the only one who's doing that.
Vedu was always doing that through the game.
also doing it.
Do it too loud.
Kofuku. I thought it shut down.
What was the vegetable?
Olive!
about the score.
I'm so
About the score. No, I need silence. Fact of the matter is,
He's gonna try and be a little bitch about it.
We
won.
Fact
Congratulations!
One second. I'm gonna leave this to the audience.
Hey, chal.
I'm gonna leave this to the audience.
And we have the one on down.
We have two on down.
Wait.
It's of 2 on down.
I think we need a deciding round. We need like a sudden death.
The scores are simple. We win.
I think okay. Can I recommend like a sudden death round? One person.
We choose who comes from your team and you choose who comes from our
Let's
team.
do it. Fantastic. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
There wouldn't be like a rechecking thing on the app if you can't recheck the
Yes! Oh my fucking god! Legendary point.
What is the point of you sitting there?
She's clearly the brains in the relationship.
It's not a
Hey guys,
Why are you laughing?
let's go through everyone.
Okay, let's do
Okay,
it.
let's do it.
Rahul ka
Let's do it.
mujhe.
Too much shit.
We know Rahul was a shield. Let's do
Rahul
it.
was
What do you mean?
Let's go.
We
Blow it up. What a great
Why did everyone unanimously say
There are more people in the
Yacht.
She is a taboo word. On that note, I think we should kick off sudden death round. We would like to pick who from the team now.
Yeah.
Who would you like to
No,
pick?
we just want to see Rahul and Shield battle it out. That's it. Doesn't even think.
She was she
Why is it that?
Wait, why did you say my name? Oh!
Final round.
Let me set it up.
No, I'll set it up.
Go.
This
No,
is
we are
sudden
recording
death
it.
to decide who wins this
This is
tonight,
the,
right?
one second. Okay, guys, let's just agree to disagree.
That was the
Hey, guys,
whole
get
joke.
Kavya, one round. We are finally down to 55-54 with some debate. And we are going to do sudden death round. We have picked Rahul
Sudden
from their team to play. Black team is being represented by Rahul. And y'all, I just want to confirm y'all picked Sheil.
Sitting there.
You're sure?
No, you are red, na? Am I red?
No, it doesn't matter.
That's not how it works.
Okay, when you are playing a game, who is telling you what to do?
Referee.
No, the other person. Who's
Opponent?
No.
Team player.
Who's designing the strategy of the game?
Mastermind.
Coach.
Okay, this is a sauce that you put on a popular New York snack.
Ketchup.
No, something with
Tomato
that.
ketchup.
No, with that.
Ketchup, tomato ketchup.
Okay, पाकिस्तान में ये होता रहता है.
You didn't say last word.
Fast, bro.
You have to say last word.
When people are younger, they make this juice and they sell it.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Okay, Atlas का कोई दूसरा नाम.
A map.
Okay, this is ice cream.
Gelato.
A sandwich.
No, something. Okay.
Sunday.
Fuck yeah!
How much is it?
So much energy for 3 days. My chappal is ulta.
अगर ऐसी energy चाहिए.
We got this.
You watch. You're my nemesis now.
Sheil, don't get distracted.
Just us. You got this. You got this. I believe in you. You get 6. We got it.
Like, just be mindful.
Hey.
Yes, cousin. Can I come with
Sheena, she draws the line. Sheena, get off your phone.
Sorry.
Okay. Fevicol makes
Glue. Stick. Adhesive.
Bilal and Zini went on a.
Honeymoon.
Nice. Let's go.
Okay.
ये तो बहुत easy है.
iPhone has
Hey,
a.
taboo.
Where?
That phone.
Taboo. Carry on.
Okay, shut up.
Taboo.
Squishy.
Toy.
No, on my. I make things of that.
Blush.
Blender. Blush. Okay.
There's a carousel and then there is a.
Reel. Static.
Nice.
Static portion.
Epigamia makes.
Yogurt.
I'll use retinol to avoid.
Aging. Wrinkles.
Okay, we go to the gym to get.
Fit.
Oh, let's go. One more.
How much?
How many?
7.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you believe this shit? Can you believe this shit?
You said
my god. Bro.
We wanted you to come out.
Bilal
you come out as a winner.
This will be accepted by everybody.
Oh my god.
I can't believe this. I'm checking. There's no taboos.
My
She is very well deserved.
my heart rate
What a
is
champion.
right
Best performance.
Very well.
Come back. Come up.
Best
7.
performance of the night.
7.
Round of applause for Sheel. Celebrate, celebrate.
I got one taboo
Let them
also.
celebrate.
Despite that, it's 7-6.
Celebrate.
Yeah.
Bhai,
So now 1 second. Who won the game? First,
we all
Bilal,
win today.
you
We
were
all
first.
win today. We all win today.
No.
matter what, Sheel won half.
नहीं
Sheel
वो
won.
तो बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ.
Sheel का perception change हो गया भाई.
On that note, thank you very much for watching. If you like this episode, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Please subscribe my channel.
All of that.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
9 adults trying to say subscribe.
Hello guys, please subscribe. Subscribe.
I think this was the best episode yet.
I just say I'm such an ethical player. My opponent couldn't even figure out that I was doing like taboo words, and I was like ethical enough to like taboo it myself. So
Today we played Taboo, a game where friends become enemies and enemies become worse enemies.
I think so. Okay, so we won, but then again we were carrying a lot of pressure from the other team.
You were always carrying pressure, man.
Yeah, that's true.
I really saved the day. I'm so proud of myself. I went from doing 2 in the last round to doing 7 today.
One, we're true winners. And just for the members, we got a Sheel and Rahul this thing, but that was for fun.
Can I ask him a question?
We are true winners.
You guys should actually comment down below that the white team won because the black team clearly cheated. I mean, I know I messed up with like not calling out the word and stuff, but that's why the rechecking thing is there.
I didn't do. I actually was on video call with a friend of mine from the US, and we were like bouncing off ideas, and we were like, I was doing taboo words to him, and he was doing taboo words to me. That's how we practiced, and I came very prepared for this one, and did really well. Next time I'll be even more better.
Yeah, it was awesome. I don't like Utkarsh today. He was really annoying. Really, really, really annoying.
Excited for next episode.